Today I'm going to show you the absolute craziest cocktail smoker by making a smoked chocolate old fashioned. This smoker in particular produces incredibly dense smoke. It's super impressive, so I'm very excited to show you guys. I'm going to start off with your typical specs for an old fashioned. I'm using Elijah Craig small batch, 2 ounces, 60 ml bourbon whiskey. You can use a rye if you like, completely up to you. 1 bar spoon. I'm using Liber & Co. Demerara syrup, and then 2 dashes of STB chocolate bitters. There's probably a couple common questions that you might be asking. First of all, like, why would you smoke a cocktail? First of all, it's about presentation. It's about aesthetics. It's very impressive, especially when you're out at a bar. If you get this served to you with a cloche at your table and then they open it up and there's a smoke plume that goes everywhere. It's a pretty impressive technique to use. And also imparts some smokiness to your drink. And then second question that is fairly common is what kind of wood is preferable? So I've got 2 here as examples. I've got applewood and mesquite. So I've got a fruit wood, which is a softwood, and this will be lighter and sweeter style of smoke. And then you've got mesquite, which is a hardwood. So the hardwood is going to impart a more robust, smoky flavor to the drink and aroma. So I'm going to go with the mesquite today, just to make it more robust. I've got to turn my ice machine on, so I'm using the clear ice instead. Stir it down for 20-30 seconds. Then strain it over a nice clear cube and garnish with a twist of orange. So this particular smoker, this cocktail smoker, was sent to me a number of years ago by a company called Stundenglas, a German company. The manufacturer of this particular cocktail smoker is super robust. Like the way everything slots together, you've got your smoking pipe, it's just like magnetized, and everything is just like super refined. Wait till you see the smoke that this thing produces. Get a couple of pinches of the mesquite. Now, if you are enjoying today's video, I do have a live cocktail workshop as well, and it's all about cocktail garnishing and presentation. We'll be covering loads of stuff, so it's not just about citrus twists and swaths and spirals and all that kind of jazz. It will include some of that, but it'll be a little bit more advanced. So it's this weekend. So if you want more information, then just check out the link in the description below. Cocktail under the cloche, light the wood chips and let gravity do the work. Once it's lit, you can let it do its thing. Oh yes. After a couple of turns, the smoke gets incredibly dense and my entire studio smells of this beautiful mesquite wood. And the advantage of this particular smoker, if you were serving it to a guest, you can simply separate the two. And then you've got a cloche that you can take to the table, take to guests. Super impressive. Smoking cocktails will be a part of the live workshop, but I will be using more accessible, less expensive, easier to get a hold of tools and equipment. This weekend, check out the description for the link. They have a smoked chocolate old fashioned using Elijah Craig small batch. Cheers. I mean, the smoke definitely adds to it, and as I said before, it's more so the presentation side of things. It does have, like, I can get the smokiness on my palate, but it is not too strong. It's more the aroma, it's more the experience, but it's a very cool technique to use to impress your friends, family, guests. Cheers.